Be honest, do you also just read the report below this graph, or can you actually interpret by yourself? If not, just give me 30 seconds and I will make it super easy for you in just 3 steps.
So the first step is to know the symbols of ETA graph. So very important and very simple. Right is represented with the red color. Okay. So air conduction and the bone conduction. Air conduction का जो unmasked है that is round. So you can know it by like Earth is round in shape and mask is triangular. And if you just imagine R by this, like ऊपर वाली चीज is round and R का नीचे वाली चीज is triangular. So you can just remember these two symbols. R is for right and it is red in color. Plus the bone conduction में जो होता है that is bracket signs. And in unmasked it is arrow opens towards the right side. इसका जो मुंह होगा right side में होगा. Plus mask का जो होगा bracket sign होगा like this. So these signs, bracket signs, like signs are for bone conduction, and round and triangular are for air conduction. And for left, it is always in blue color. Okay, so just remember कि left is never right, so it is wrong because left is never right, so it is wrong वाला या cross sign. For mask, it is like इन्हीं चारों लाइन को हमने बंद कर दिया, तो it is in a box. Okay, for bone conduction, same like arrow, but it opens towards the left side, and mask is this bracket वाला sign opens to the left. I think if it is a conductive hearing loss, so of course जो bone conduction curve होगा, वो तो normal होगा, plus air conduction poor होगा. थर्ड पॉइंट हमारे इसमें क्या दिखेगा, ए बी गैप जो होगा वो प्रेजेंट होता है. दैट इज एंड व्हाट इज द सिग्निफिकेंट ए बी गैप. जब हमसे ए बी गैप बोले उन दोनों एयर कंडक्शन बोन कंडक्शन में मोर देन 15 डेसिबल का वो होना चाहिए. एंड इन एसेंशियल एसी एंड बोन कंडक्शन दोनों ही जगह पोअर होगा प्लस ए बी गैप एब्सेंट होगा. एंड अगर वो मिक्स होगा सो एसी एंड बोन कंडक्शन बोथ आर पुअर प्लस ए बी गैप विल आल्सो बी प्रेजेंट. सो दिस इज द मोस्ट सिंप्लिफाइड थिंग. अ लाइन इज ऑलवेज ऑफ बोन कंडक्शन. This is the most interesting point you should keep in mind कि हमेशा ऊपर वाली लाइन बोन कंडक्शन की रहेगी. If you see the first graph first, see they are in red, so red means right, so they both are of right. So this round वाला is air conduction, arrow वाला मतलब bracket है तो bone conduction. Also ये ऊपर है तो ऊपर वाला हमेशा bone conduction. So और ये सब 25 जो ये अपने डी भी है इससे ऊपर ही है. So means they both are above. So ये है normal, सब कुछ normal, air conduction plus bone conduction. अगर हम second देखें तो first it is in the blue, so it is of left ear. ठीक है, ऊपर वाला हमेशा bone conduction होता है. So this is BC, this is AC and AC BC तो जो हमारा AC curve है वो 25 से नीचे है तो it means इसमें hearing loss है. Plus BC is normal and the gap is there more of 15 decibel, तो ये AB gap है, so it will be conductive hearing loss. So it's the right. Next is if we see it is of the red color, so means it is of the right. Then ऊपर वाला BC, नीचे वाला AC curve, and they both are going below 25. So means कि दोनों नीचे जा रहे हैं, मतलब दोनों में loss है. Plus there is no gap present, मतलब तो it is of SNHL. It is of right SNHL. And if we see in this graph, this is the bone conduction, this is the ear conduction. It is in the blue, so it is of the left ear. Plus, there both bone conduction and ear conduction is poor. Plus, there is a gap of more than 15 decibels. So it is both AC/BC poor plus AB gap. It is of mixed hearing loss. Means इसका middle ear में भी problem है, plus inner ear भी damage है.